Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal, and today we're going to make a charcuterie board to support that hot new trend. And we're going to do it with a CNC router. So I've done lots of videos featuring CNC routers, but none of them look like this. So I'm going to ask my coworker Nick to come in and give us a little explanation around these spindles. Hey Nick.
Hey Rob, how are you?
I'm good. So I've been hearing lots of buzz about spindles on CNC routers. So what's your spin on it?
There's lots of great features about these spindles. Let's go over a few. The ability to automatically adjust the spindle speed to perfectly match with each bit, with speeds up to 24,000 RPMs. This means you can start and stop the spindle via the program's G-code. This water-cooled spindle features onboard cooling. No more messy buckets of water around. E-Cool is a self-contained reservoir and pump system right on the back of the gantry. Water cooling is a very effective means of cooling and is great for projects that have a longer run time. You will notice more accuracy in the power of this 3 horsepower spindle. And of course, the lower operating decibel, which is about 75% lower than a standard router. Hello? Milk? Hot dogs? I'm gonna get some bacon too. All right? Yeah, talk to you later. Bye. What's not to love about these water-cooled spindles?
So that's really cool. I'm pretty sure I want one of these things. So other than the fact that it's a spindle, this machine works exactly the same way as the ones that I'm used to, right?
Just like the ones that we're used to.
Cool. Well, thank you, Nick.
Yeah.
Okay, so now with the varsity team gone, you're left with the B squad. But let's get started. First, you need to glue up your blank. We made ours 3/4 of an inch thick by 10 inches wide by 16 inches long. The species of hardwood is up to you, but we do recommend a close-grained hardwood. It's just easier to clean. So now let's fire up the CNC and get to cutting. This is a 2-program project. It uses 2 bits, a 1/4 inch spiral bit and a 90-degree V bit. You can find the programming for free in the details below. We tested the program on some plywood to make sure all was well. Get started by chucking the 90-degree bit into the spindle. Secure the blank on a sacrificial board and set your X, Y, and Z coordinates. Then load the engraving file. It's go time. Let's set this spindle to spinning. Wow, that spindle is so quiet. I just love it. Now I'm going to change the bits and the program, and we'll move forward. And oh yeah, our charcuterie board is shaped like a pig. Now I'm going to chamfer the back of the board to make it a little easier to lift up. And then I'll drill and add some feet. So now I'm going to sand this up to 600 grit, super smooth, and then follow up with a couple of coats of food-safe oil finish. I hope you enjoyed today's video, maybe learned a couple things. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.